What's up, you guys? It's your girl Myaa Miliani here, and I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back now. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I customize this bust down closure wig. I'm starting off by first plucking it.
I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed him. Then that bitch Kevin if she think I need him. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street.
I tried to take my time and go slow so I do not over pluck the lace by accident, because that can happen and there is no way to fix a over plucked lace. So I would rather not pluck it as much rather than to over pluck it.
That's my top three. Bitch, I was serving the sidewalk, then I copped and dropped hot in the street. You can't name a young nigga that's hot as you. All my niggas do murders and robberies. Got about 20 racks in the rabbit you. Niggas thinking I won off the lottery. When I hop in the push start with the pound, niggas know that it ain't no stopping me. Out of town, champ like Mayweather. Got a new crib off the boxing ring. Put the new 40 autos on the Jeep. Run up 30 in a week. I just fuck out on geek. 45 under the pillow, 45,000 in the sheets. I want the bag, nigga. I can't take no hoe if I know she ain't married to me. Bitch, I done got this shit up out the street. Red gut, period, blood on my seat. I just been ballin' out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the beast. I just been married to double cup. I got up on me a four inside another lead. Time depends and then run it up.
I went in with my edge stick just so I can sleek it down.
All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed her. Then that bitch Kevin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga.
And then I went ahead and parted it straight down the middle because I don't want to over pluck where the part is. Going back and forth with plucking and using my hot comb helps me because it shows me what part needs to be plucked more, if it does need to be plucked more, if I'm on the verge of over plucking, which I really hate to do.
I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas. Young nigga pulling up inside the Bentley truck. I just be popping shit like hot grease.
One thing I forgot to mention is that you need to keep your hand on the move when you're plucking. You cannot stay in one spot for too long, just pulling at that area, because you will over pluck that area. Now that my lace is perfectly plucked, I'm just using the flat iron, obviously, to see if it does need to be plucked more, but I was perfectly fine with the way it looked. It was definitely giving scalp for me at this point, and I knew that I was good.
Baby. break my back, 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 break my back. That's a right. 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 Break my back. That's a right. Break my back. That's a right. Break my back.
Alright, I'm gonna stop talking now and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is making sure my part is straight, hot combing it, and doing the edges, and that'll be the end of the video. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and just enjoy the rest of the video. Bye guys.
You know I be that right slow, let me like bro, baby I slow, turn your light slow, oh baby, oh, no you gon' let me know, no, 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 no. You gon' make me feel like the heat, babe, you coming by me like, you don't even talk that easy, bringing heat, babe, see how sleep. Silent to me, it's true fast. You know I be that right slow, let me like bro, baby I slow, turn your lights slow, oh baby, oh, you gon' let